Hey Maya, you want to try and make Xander smile again?
Yeah.
You think he will?
Yep.
Let's see.
Oh, headbutt.
He headbutted you?
Yep.
Bonk.
Oh, there's another headbutt. Oh. Headbutt number 3.
Just smile, Xander.
Sweet. Yeah, talk to him. Oh. Ouch. Oh.
Oh, you got a one.
A little
I
scratch.
touched it.
Careful, Kay. It's a good thing your hands are clean.
Hi. Little Genie.
Gentle.
Little Genie.
I don't think he likes that. No. It's almost bedtime for Xander.